watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the timeless farmhouse decor. These designs will definitely motivate you to make changes to your house, regardless of whether you prefer vintage or rustic aesthetics. Let's explore farmhouse decor trends that never go out of style. Start with the basics. Incorporate reclaimed wood elements into your furniture or accent pieces for an instant farmhouse feel. Embrace natural materials like jute, linen, and cotton for upholstery, curtains, and throw pillows to add texture and warmth to your space. Create a cozy atmosphere with soft, earthy tones like muted greens, warm browns, and creamy whites for your walls and furnishings. Mix and match vintage finds with modern pieces for a curated look that feels both eclectic and inviting. Bring the outdoors in by displaying fresh or faux botanicals in rustic pots, vases, or baskets to add a touch of greenery to your decor. Enhance the farmhouse aesthetic with wrought iron accents, such as light fixtures, hardware, or wall art, for a touch of industrial charm. Opt for farmhouse-style lighting fixtures like pendant lights with exposed bulbs or vintage-inspired chandeliers to illuminate your space with warmth and character. Incorporate cozy textiles like chunky knit blankets, faux fur throws, and woven rugs to add layers of comfort and coziness to your home. Create a focal point in your living room with a statement piece like a distressed wooden coffee table, a vintage trunk, or a reclaimed barn door. Transform your bedroom into a serene retreat with a wrought iron bed frame, soft linen bedding, and vintage-inspired accessories for a cozy farmhouse vibe. Maximize storage and organization with farmhouse-style furniture pieces like rustic dressers, storage benches, or wire baskets to keep clutter at bay. Infuse your bathroom with farmhouse charm by incorporating elements like a clawfoot tub, a vintage vanity, or galvanized metal accents for a rustic yet refined look. Complete the farmhouse look with finishing touches like antique mirrors, vintage-style clocks, and woven baskets to add depth and character to your decor. Incorporate architectural salvage pieces like salvaged doors, windows, or shutters as unique wall decor or statement pieces for a touch of history and character. Add warmth and charm to your dining room with a farmhouse-style dining table paired with mismatched chairs for a relaxed and inviting atmosphere. Accessorize your living space with vintage-inspired accents like old books, vintage cameras, or antique frames for a nostalgic touch. Bring in farmhouse flair with patterned textiles such as buffalo check, ticking stripes, or floral prints for pillows, curtains, or upholstery. Enhance your outdoor living area with farmhouse-style porch decor like a rocking chair, a porch swing, or a weathered wooden bench for laid-back relaxation. Infuse your entryway with farmhouse charm by adding a vintage console table, a distressed mirror, and a coat rack or hooks for a welcoming first impression. Create a cozy ambience in your home with candles in vintage-inspired holders, lanterns, or mason jars filled with fairy lights for soft, romantic lighting. Add a touch of farmhouse whimsy with playful accents like a barn door-inspired headboard, a sliding barn door for a closet, or a ladder shelf for storage and display. Thanks for joining us today as we explored these timeless farmhouse decor ideas. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating!